Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's. Thanks so much for stopping in today. I'm going to show you how to make two simple to prepare delicious pan sauces. This first sauce goes great with steak, pork, and chicken. It is a very simple brown sauce. So say you're at the end of cooking your pork, chicken, or steak, you remove it from the pan. Now we're going to add in just a little bit of butter and we're going to turn the heat down to medium. Next, we're going to add in some chopped shallots, some chopped garlic. We just want to cook this for maybe 1 to 2 minutes or until everything becomes fragrant. At this point, and it is optional, we're going to deglaze with a little bit of red wine. I have Cabernet Sauvignon here. We're going to cook this down until it's reduced by 75%, so there's maybe only a tablespoon or two left. Now we're going to add in some good Heinen's beef stock. We're going to turn the heat to high. We want to cook this until it's reduced by 1/2 so that it becomes a really nice, thicker sauce. This looks really, really good. And look, if you don't want to do the wine, go straight from cooking the shallots and garlic to adding the beef stock and cooking on high heat until it becomes thicker. At this point, we are going to finish with a little bit of butter, some fresh thyme leaves, and of course, we want to season it up with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to move everything around until it is combined. And look, your steak's been sitting out for a couple minutes. Just add it back to the pan and heat it up by flipping it around a few times. And boom, a very simple, very tasty, and I mean very tasty pan brown sauce would go great with so many things. Okay, this next one would go fantastic with chicken or fish. Similar ingredients, way different flavors. Say you're at the end of cooking your fish or chicken. You want to remove it from the pan. Again, over medium heat, we're going to add in a little bit of butter. Next, some chopped shallots, some chopped garlic. We're going to cook this again just until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. At this point, we are going to glaze with a little bit of white wine. I have Chardonnay here. And we're going to add in some lemon juice. If you do not want to do wine, you can do all lemon juice. Cook this until it's reduced by about 75% again, and there should be about a tablespoon or two left of that sauce. We're next going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter that's been cut up. We're going to turn the heat completely off, and we are going to swirl the pan to melt the butter right in until the sauce becomes emulsified. This looks perfect. Next, we're going to add in a few capers for a nice little flavor, some parsley, or you could use fresh dill if you'd like. Season it with salt and pepper. Mix those things around until combined. And again, just like the steak, to heat back up that chicken or fish, add it right back to the pan. And a very simple to prepare, very delicious lemon butter sauce. Is there anything better than that? 2 simple sauces. You can do this. I promise you. Got a few things to eat. See you next time.